Hello everyone, this is Dr. Arvind Nandikishore here. Welcome to another fine video by Finance with AB. The primary markets are keeping us extremely busy with a flood of IPOs, and this video is about Euro PRATIK sales IPO, which hits the primary market on 16th of September. So once again, welcome. Let's get into the details of the IPO. The name of the IPO is Euro PRATIK Sales Limited IPO. So incorporated in 2010 in Mumbai, the company is engaged in the sales and marketing of decorative wall panels and decorative laminates. So the company is an interior decor company for furnishing the interiors of houses, offices, and other buildings. The company operates in two brands, namely Euro PRATIK as well as Glorio. Just like the Britannia offers multiple biscuit brands like NutriChoice or Bourbon 50/50, Good Day. Okay, they operate in two brands. They are recognized as innovators for products like lowers, chisel, and oris at India Coverings Expo from 2019 to 22. So these are basically products you might know. See, chisel is one instrument used by carpenters for manufacturing or polishing and designing the wood. So in Malayalam we call it uli. I don't know how many of you can relate with that. And that is a chisel, and a loras is the slanted window which we use in our houses or buildings, offices, so that we get ventilation, but we do not have the effect of rain inside our buildings or houses. So that is what Loras is. Again, so these are some of their product portfolios. They are basically doing products and innovators for multiple products inside the houses for interior decoration. Now, their products are eco-friendly, antibacterial and antifungal products made from recycled materials, and also they have stated that they are free from harmful metals as well. They export products to 6 different countries including Singapore, UAE, Australia, Bangladesh, Burkina Faso and Nepal. Over 30 product categories they have their own product catalog, and with over 3,000 designs. Two of their brand ambassadors are Hrithik Roshan and Kareena Kapoor. Hrithik Roshan for Euro PRATIK and Kareena Kapoor for Glorio. So when you go to their websites, the product catalogs are branded with their faces. So I also just went into their website and it is quite good. The way they have presented their product catalog, it's really attractive. Now going to the financials of the company, the top line as well as bottom line. The top line has been upward and downward between FY23 to 25, but the bottom line has seen a steady increase with an increase of almost 20% plus over the last 3 financial years. Some of the P ratio comparison with their peers. The listed peers are Greenlam Industries, Asian Paints India Limited, Berger Paints India Limited and Indigo Paints Limited. But again, this is not kind of an apple-to-apple comparison. They have compared this because these companies can come out with products related to interiors of buildings. So it is not an exactly apple-to-apple comparison, but Euro PRATIK sales at PE ratio of 33.02 pre-IPO is the lowest among all these listed peers. Moving on, the offer is 100% offer for sale. So that means there are no fresh capital issued, no freshly created shares are there for the IPO. Everything is an offer for sale. So the promoters are offloading, and that is the only set of shares available for the IPO. So the company hence does not receive any proceeds from the issue. All the money goes to the shareholders. Some of the key metrics: the market cap stands at almost 2,500 crore, return on equity at 39% roughly, return on capital employed at almost 45%, return on net worth at 32.6%, impressive EBITDA margins at 38 to 39%, P ratio as listed above, and PB ratio of 10.77. These are some of the key metrics which you can consider if you want to apply for the IPO. Now moving on, the pros and cons of the company. So the company has improving profit margins over the past 3 financial years, steady increase. The financial numbers, as we saw in the matrices table, they look good. pan-India presence. They have presence across almost 25 states and 5 union territories. So that's a pan-India presence. They also have global long-term partnerships. So that is also helping their geographical diversification. Cons of the company: rising global tensions, as we have seen in Nepal, Trump tariff issues, and multiple global issues, Israel bombing in Qatar. So, see, it is not just related to one country. They are all at some point of time or in some way or the other interconnected. So, the global business could be affected because of rising global tensions. The IPO, because of the financials and at the P ratio compared to FY24, appear to be fully priced as well. So the IPO does not seem to be at a discount, is what we feel. The dates of the IPO, important dates: IPO opens on the September 16th and closes on the 18th of September. The allotment happens immediately the next day on 19th of September, and the lot size is around 60 shares. Is exactly 60 shares. The cutoff price will stand at 247 rupee. The issue size is 451 crore, not the biggest IPO. And the listing will happen on 23rd of September, the next Monday after listing. So those are the details of the IPO. Now, because of the financials, the IPO at around 247 rupees cutoff price appear to be kind of fully priced and not at a discount. The grey market premiums of the company are also not available. So am I applying for this IPO? Probably yes, but I'm not sure, because I will wait to see the QIB subscription on the third day of the IPO window, I think on September 18th. So I'll make my decision only on September 18th. So let us know in the comment section if you are willing to apply for this IPO. Thanks for watching. Until we meet again, take care, Jai Hind, and goodbye.